Okay, so in real life, right, when you have real world context, right, we will be asked about discount. So discount is something good. That means you actually pay lower than what it is. Okay, so there's a formula for discount, but usually the formula will be a bit confusing because some people will be confused. What is mark price? How come in a question we got mark price, we got selling price? So some of you may be confused. What is the difference between mark price and selling price? Okay, so I'm going to clarify this confusion first. The mark price is the price tag. So if you go into a shop, okay, can we choose a shop like Popular? So if you go to Popular, you want to buy a book, then you look at the back, right? Let's say they put $25. So that $25 is called the mark price. So this $25 is like, you know, the price tag get hit there. So this is actually called the mark price. And then, right, so what is actually selling price? Okay, so selling price is the price that you pay. It is the price that you really pay. That means you pay at the counter. Okay, so can you imagine the situation? Huh? You imagine the situation. So you take this book to the counter, and the counter and your mom actually got a Popular card. So the Popular card gave you a 10% discount. Okay, so the Popular card gets you a 10% discount. So at the counter, right, you actually pay lower. So you actually pay 25 minus 250. So when we say selling price, right, it is the real price that you paid out of your pocket. So that's why there are some people with confusion. There are some people like who don't understand. So there's a percentage discount formula. The formula will be the amount of discount over the mark price. That means over the price tag. So during exam, right, they will actually mess you up with all the terms, GST, discount, and all that. Okay, so the price tag is, the mark price is the price tag. And then the selling price is the real amount that comes out from your pocket. So you got to be very clear about that. Okay, so I'm going to explain this to you first, and I'm going to tell you some question. So for example, in a Great Singapore Sale, the price will all reduce by 10%. The sale price, okay, so this is another confusing thing. The sale price is 1125. That means, right, this is the selling price. This is the real amount that came out from your pocket. Okay, so this one is what? Camera, right? So there is a camera that you want to buy. Maybe that's a GoPro. So the question is about asking you about the price tag. That means what is the price tag shown here? But when you bring this to the cashier, you bring this to the counter, right? You are paying 1125. And this is after a discount, after 10% discount. So what does that mean? That means, right, in a primary school term, right, what are you thinking? So you think primary school, but don't show primary school. You think primary school. In primary school, I will tell you 90%. This is 90%. And the mark price is 100%. So you can think primary school, but you don't show the primary school idea. So how are you going to show in a non-primary school idea? You think about dividing first. In primary school, you will think about dividing, right? So you divide by 90 first, correct? So you do the same thing. You divide by 90, then you multiply by 100. So you must understand mark price is the price tag. Even the Sec 4 get confused. Okay, so even the Sec 4 will get confused, like what actually do you mean by mark price? So mark price is the price tag. So it is based on the price tag, then we'll give discount. So please take note, because whenever in this topic they ask, what is the percentage discount? If your denominator is not the price tag, your percentage will be wrong. Okay, so that's what happened to a lot of people.